All right, so let's talk a little bit about nutrition. So this is a topic that I'm very passionate about, and I really try to tell people all about, and that would be don't drink your calories. So these calories, if you really want to be healthy and fit, a lot of these calories can be avoided. So there are a lot of dangerous calories that are out there in the stuff that you drink. For example, did you know that one shot of vodka or whiskey has roughly 100 calories? So when you're going out with your friends and you're taking 7-8 shots, that adds up real quick. Some of these Mexican food places, they're offering margaritas that are over 1,000 calories. That's crazy. Also, soda is such a killer. A large soda from McDonald's runs roughly 300 calories. So there are so many ways to be healthy and be fit, but this one is probably the easiest one, is don't drink your calories. The best and most effective liquid you can drink is water, right? Everyone knows that, but it's much harder to actually implement. There are some beverages out there that do have calories that are pretty healthy. For example, I love almond milk. Almond milk is very low in calories, has a great taste, and it goes well with a lot of different things. It's a great replacement for milk, and it's lactose free. Okay, so now I want to talk about one of the biggest calorie bombs, and that would be fruit juice. So a lot of people, they think that fruit juice is very healthy, but in reality, fruit juice is pretty much the same as drinking soda. Let me tell you why. Fruit juice actually is just a concentrated form of eating actual fruit. So did you know it takes 3 to 4 apples to make 1 glass of apple juice? I mean, realistically, are you gonna eat 4 apples, right? So it's much better to actually eat the whole fruit because you're getting the added benefit of the fiber, and it's a much higher level of satiety when you eat that fruit, meaning you're gonna be much more full and you're not gonna eat as much. But with fruit juice, you can drink so much of it and you don't even realize it. When I was a kid, I used to drink an entire liter of apple juice and I didn't even realize it. And that 1 liter, we're talking 500-600 calories, and I didn't even think about it. If you really love to drink your fruit, then a healthier alternative would be a smoothie. So a smoothie that does not have all of the added sugar that you're gonna get at the commercial smoothie stores. Because if you go to a place like Jamba Juice or Smoothie King or one of these smoothie chains, what they're doing, they're adding the fruit extract, which is just highly refined sugar. So that's not good for your body. So you can make this stuff at home. You throw an apple, a banana, whatever fruit you like, throw it into a blender, put some ice in it, blend it up, and it tastes great, and it's very healthy. Also, when you drink concentrated fruit juice, that is going to cause your blood sugar or your insulin level, that's going to cause it to rise very sharp, which is then going to come down very quickly, and that's going to be where you feel really lethargic and very low energy. The problem with that is when you feel that low energy, you want to come back up again and then come back down. So it's a very vicious cycle. Whereas when you eat fruit, those levels, they tend to be more stable, and that's going to be a more even level of energy. So if you can incorporate a little bit more water into your daily routine, you will feel better, feel more mentally clear, and you will also save on the calories as well. So post a discussion and list your favorite unhealthy drink and what you're gonna do to eliminate it after watching this video.